was ya, Mawibia Aquaba, Ediva Attention TV, so filler or filler, ye cancel. And I'm the best someone, but what journey a jar. Now I subscribe, we are in share my yen, the commenting. We are no with me notification banner so, and so am I. Oko YouTuber, a Attention Tvgh, Attention Tvgh, and also follow ye. Now me a notification banners, Bibiano, now on sa I can straight up. Abusia, I feel like filler and then 7 more a day. Sdk weekend dey twemu esie ni papa na ekama ese Ghana for ekeka nsem se celebrities ni bebre ankopie mu ewo ase DKB ede mu nkyeremu aba me de mu nkyeremu ebebre ma metwa me ho embrasisia ebusia for ende aha ana me de besi Attention TV esnie e ma mo ni hwa makram I was seeing me that say, Pie, say when you bread. The try mammy try me home at the abaye. Fella or fella ye cancel. Me then some more entry more at the brow dear. Sdk'S Dodona animal as Sdk'S. One say Jimmy Ghana memo has said no wa fat on ho say skits and obey skits no a funny video and what be brow ye digigi and then Ghana for on Instagram page and YouTube page I'll be home Sdk'S ne skits baby or how the begin na enche bia na all the better on social media say well ni papa nimpon a owo no afrimu and di ene Francis Sule Dodona enso nim no as Baba Old G na papa yi afrimu a na ene de ye no eba so Sdk enye sika e de ye ebusua se onhu nipa na meka ne ho asem ne de a yenkohwe ne skate no bi embrasisia
Kinkeba boys e kasaba de kwa flavor yeah
get it to running now
Ow, you're a drum boy. Watch and learn. There go.
What's him feel Steve, eh?
It's not freshy. Private jet will town.
Can I have your number?
Oh, I'm fair. May I demand no? I best have branding. My boss show. Okay. How did you do that?
Women like ugly boys that can dress well and they are funny.
My name is Tvgh and I know I'm ugly.
The fuck?
As you can see, I can dress well. I'm really funny.
I would have finished gym.
Abusia se afe we hu Sdk'S Dodona nim no as Sdk nim se funny videos skits ana oye e Ghana memo ha sei na enche ye ana osie ne papa na eye na se no ana ye hu se celebrities bebre ankopiem ho na so ye hu se sakode enso ekopiem ho na so e kama se bebre no ankopiem ho a na ye hwe entertainment industry di anka wo se almost ana 50 and 70% of entertainers e Ghana memo ha sei se before any nyom to phone na omukopiem e wo honom na we ana Ghana for raise concern say na Ghana for musicians and celebrities class na motie mo hu nipa ne papa nimpon anya se ne wofa ana sene na na bi na afiri ma nde otimi choose say wonko ana se wo beko ne papa nimpon wo no afiri mu na adent na mantini anko support no na we ana no nonsense man bakwa wo Ghana memo ha say nde no nim say social media commentator bakwa no de asem bi e ko tiri ba man so bia no on de wan beka bia na ene de anya no na nde eye DKB ye ne nim se DKB Ghana memo ha se den sema be koso bia no otam phone sin nim se laptop so dia na nde wa kire na adwen mu papa eye ye hu se Ghana football yayi Ghana for ba fie ene ode ko share ayi Nigeria for se Nigeria for na mag yayi Ghana for film yayi Nigeria for so film so dia ode ko share Algeria for na afen so dia ye ni yanko so dia na nde on de no kire na se ono de na owaye bebre ko drasa Saturday na ye de see Sdk papa no nso no de enye ne wan shada ananse enye ne tiri mpo se onkopie mu ewo eyenas ebusia yenkotie bra o kirekire mu e de ama Ghana for.
So I see this video passing around on social media that Ghanaian celebrities abandoned Sdk'S father's funeral. Come on, please. No. We can't all be at the same place at the same time. I, for instance, I wish I could go. But it's happening in Tema. I am in Accra. I had 4 funerals to attend today. And these are all friends who support my career. They had all lost their moms. It's crazy. I haven't slept well since roaming. At least I do 2 or 3 hours each. And then I'll move on to the next one. I'm just coming from the last one. See, black on black. See, black on black. Funeral. So it's unfortunate I couldn't make it to all the way to Tema to support Sdk. But that does not mean that we abandon him. I speak on behalf of every other celebrity who showed up or didn't show up. We love Sdk. Stop this nonsense agenda. Stop this negativity. That's the last thing he needs. He needs our condolences, our support, all our love. This is the last thing he needs. And people didn't support, putting negativity into his heart. Why are Ghanaians like that? Why are Ghanaians like that? Want to capitalize and push some agenda to get him some mindset. And then he's going to feel some type of way about the whole thing. Why? Even Michael Essien, all the way in Real Madrid, had his birthday party. Only one Real Madrid player showed up. Luka Modric. Only one. He was still happy. And checking from the videos, there were quite a number of celebrities who showed up for him. Let's look at the positive side instead of pushing a negative agenda. Come on, man. He's grieving. Where from this extra negativity? Ghana, show love. Love. That's why I love my Nigerians. Even though I blame them, but I love them. Thank you so much. Sdk, we did for you. We did feel you respect. I send you WhatsApp. Respond for me, I beg.
Ebusia wona wasamasene ewajimede so Queen Varsity Foundation. Queen Varsity Foundation say odin hwase wose wona woni bie mobrawan ene echanka ana odin yowo de beba oyankwanam anase moyekuo bidia ende fa ho ebedon Queen Varsity Foundation na nyankopom enshan freno ewo 0548302985 0548302985 na enkomo bi ewo hono mo endidi fila o fila esinye ye kansem Attention TV so ewo YouTube Attention Tvgh ewo Facebook makram